Hey fellow Nevillers, I'm back here today. I'm going to share some of Neville's success stories that he shares from his lectures and books. This one is the famous barber story. I don't know if you've heard it, but it's about a gentleman that uses his imagination for a fantastic promotion for a friend, i.e. the barber. This one comes from the Spiritual Cause from 1968, so I'll read it to you. Neville says, "Let me share a letter from a friend. It seems that when he first met him, his barber was the fourth man in a four-man shop. In case you are not familiar with a barber shop, the owner always has a first chair, and if it is a slow day, he gets the customer. If he has finished when the second man comes in, the owner takes the second one also. If three more should come in, they will go to different chairs, with the fourth barber being the last to receive a customer. One day my friend sat in his chair. As they talked, he discovered that the man was proud of his profession and desired to be the best barber in town. That's all we need to hear, is what somebody desires. Hearing the desire expressed, my friend imagined the man had reached the top of his profession. Within a year, the barber had bought the shop and had moved to the first chair." That's some really powerful stuff, is it not? Neville continues. "Last month, this barber told my friend of his desire to attend a hairstyling contest in San Francisco. Realizing that no one goes to a contest unless he wants to win, my friend saw a trophy on the shelf near the door and heard the gentleman say he had won it. Last weekend, 3 of the 4 men in the shop went to the contest and returned with 4 of the 9 trophies given in the competition. The owner won first and second place prize, with the 2 men who went with him each taking second. Now, he said to me, I have often heard you say from the platform, I will tell you before it takes place, that when it does, you will believe me. Now I am going to tell you, Neville, before it takes place, that he has already won the contest to be held in Southern California, for I have seen his trophy, i.e., that chap has seen the trophy, seen his friend win before it's happened. Yay! Then he will go to Miami and win another trophy, which will enable him to enter the international contest in Brussels, of which I have placed him as the winner. I know he will win, for every natural effect has a spiritual cause. My friend's imaginal act is the cause, and he will remember what he did and be blessed because of it.